These absolutely sensational pistachio milk cakes are made with packet mix. I know, but before you shame me in the comments, just try it, okay? Make your cake mix to packet instructions. Hopefully you can crack eggs a little bit more elegantly than me, because why did half the last egg end up on the table? I also don't know how to whisk normally, but we'll skip past that too. I like to mix my wet and dry ingredients separately before adding the wet to the dry because it gives a more consistent batter. Next, add your pistachio spread. I will have the one I use linked to my TikTok shop, as I know not everybody has a Costco near them. I also added some crushed pistachios, and I popped 2 not so full ice cream scoops of mixture into each tin before tapping each loaf tin on the table to even out the mixture. Next, make the milk cake mixture by combining condensed milk, pistachio spread, whole milk, and evaporated milk with a whisk. Ensure you get all the delicious pistachio spread from the bottom. At this point, your cakes should have baked, so whilst they are still warm, then stab them a bit aggressively with a fork before pouring on your milk mixture. Be sure to go around for a second time with the milk mixture to ensure that adequate drenching has taken place. Next, whip up your double cream with some caster sugar. Once it starts to thicken, stop every so often to assess the consistency to ensure you don't over whip it and cause it to split. I then add the cream to a piping bag and pipe it onto each cake before topping them with pistachios and rose petals. Look at these milk cakes, guys. Every angle, every view are just beautiful, and that is why you would never know that